Flaming Salad Bros HD. Yeah. And we also got BMX Dad HD. Who's there? Then we got Rasta 3 HD. And finally, the one you've been waiting for, B649 HD. Okay, so we're trying to make a BMX. Fuzz is here. Okay, so we're trying to make this a BMX. So here we have the sprocket. Here we have the cranks. These are the pedals. They're still in the package. I'll take them out. Here's the forks. They don't really look like forks. Okay, here we got the stem. I don't know why it's called a stem when it's tiny. Okay, here we got the frame. Beautiful. Here are the grips and the handlebars. Then we got the tires,
the saddle,
the wheels, and the saddle. So these are the bits that we're going to make our BMX with. Stay tuned for the next episode where we start making. See ya.
See ya, won't be ya.
Okay guys, welcome back. This is BMX Dad. Well, he's my dad. Sadly we couldn't video whilst we were doing all that. But
what have we put on so far?
The forks.
The forks and the
crank.
No, that's called the...
Oh yeah, I forgot.
headset.
The
headset.
headset.
And
So now we're just unscrewing the bolts so we can put the handlebars on. Because where are the handlebars?
here. And I'm putting the handlebars in.
Okay, well you can stand this side first.
So also give out the instructions so they can hear what you're doing. So you're just screwing in the bolts for us to make sure
Just
that...
putting them in a little bit at first so they're all holding the bars on. So what we do, we tighten these up just enough to be holding the bars on. If you tighten one up too much, then the other ones won't go in straight. You won't get it properly tight. So you've got to try and get them all in the same sort of amount before you start lifting them up a bit.
Yeah.
Right, let's hold this up right in the right position.
So what we do, we just hold it.
Foster's just going to hold the bars. I can start to tighten them up. Now, like I said, what you have to do is you just do each one a little bit at a time because they will have to go in an equal amount. Or at least the sprocket like that.
They look so pretty.
So stop messing around with that.
Last time. Okay.
So today we've made the Colony Phantom Rasta bike.
Yep.
And now Arlo and Foster are going to help me change the sprocket on the premium inspired Garrett Reynolds signature model to this sprocket. So we're going to take off the Verdi 25T sprocket and we're going to replace it with this one. I'm not sure what it is, but it's purple, so Foster wants to put it on.
It's still 109.
Yeah,
Let's
so
just call that a 109.
let's do that. Okay, here we go.
Crawl through the trees and you pray with your knees on the ground for the things that you need with your lust and your greed weighing down